This is Doha, Qatar. We're here traveling, going to the northern part, I think.
Northern part.
Yeah. This is their highway. There's IKEA there, on the right side. Okay. Qatar is so progressive and the richest country in the world. Qatari people are so blessed by God. Even before this was a desert, but we have plenty of natural gas and
6 lanes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lanes.
and minerals, and, crude oil.